When you've received your AAI zip file, first thing we have to do is extract the package. Click Extract All, click on Next, and we'll go ahead and put that on the desktop. What this package is going to allow you to do is, as a user, you're going to be able to add a logger with either an inverter, inverter and meter, or inverter, meter, and subarray device. Okay, this is finished extracting. Go ahead and click on Finish. We're going to open up the package, and these are the instructions. It's called PVP.doc. In this document, you're going to see that the username that we've set up is called pvp.admin, and the default password is adlogger. You're able to change that password through Solar Plant Vision. Following the instructions, I'm going to click on Start, click on Run, type in CMD, click OK. First thing we want to do is navigate to the directory that we're using. This is on the desktop, and the file folder is called AAI. Let's see. Okay. When we've navigated to the folder that we're going to use, go down and select which procedure we want to follow. If we want to add just a logger and an inverter, we'll be selecting this template right here. And this is the command that you're going to want to run from this folder. Please notice that all the X's should be filled in with the nomenclature for a PV-powered logger, which is PVP, capital PVP, underscore, and then the MAC address, such as 0090E8. We'll just say 111111, and then hit enter. The password again is adlogger. It's going to ask me for the MAC address that we're using. In this case, it was 0090E8111111. Hit enter. Right now it's creating the logger, and it's going to create the inverter also beneath that logger. We've set the program so that it will add a three-phase inverter at device ID decimal 80. Now we need to pick the model of the inverter that we're adding. The selection for those are also in the installation document. Here are the models that you can use. We'll select the PVP 30 kilowatt as the inverter model that we're adding. Hit enter. And at this point it is adding the inverter. Okay, so now we've added this inverter to our site, and we need to log into Solar Plant Vision. Go to your favorite internet browser and go to fatspaniel.com. Click on Login, and click on Solar Plant Vision. Again, the user ID is pvp.admin. The password is adlogger. When you click on Login, it's going to log you in as the PVP admin for adding loggers and devices. When you log in, it's going to show you your test site. By clicking on Sites, going to List. It's going to take you to your site list of one site, and you can click on the assets below that site. In that asset window, we're going to see the logger and devices that we've created using the preset templates. Here you can see the logger that we just added with the name PVP_0090E8111111. And below that you can see the inverter. And of course right now we're not going to see any details because this isn't a real logger and it's not plugged into a real device. Going back to the documentation, it's going to show you how to add an inverter and a meter. It's going to show you how to add an inverter, meter, and a subarray combiner. If you need to add other templates, the program is set up to allow you to do that, and we'll be covering that later. Thank you.